Greetings, everybody. Welcome to the Station for Learning. Today, we are going to learn about the philosophy of education by Shah Waliullah. How can you derive philosophy of education from Shah Waliullah's conception of man? Shah Waliullah Dehlvi was an influential Islamic scholar and philosopher in the 18th century, whose conception of man and education can provide a foundation for a philosophy of education. Here are some key points on how his ideas can inform an educational philosophy. First is it is holistic development. Shah Waliullah emphasized the holistic nature of man, which includes physical, intellectual, moral, and spiritual dimensions. An educational philosophy derived from his thought would advocate for an integrated curriculum that nurtures all aspects of a student's development rather than focusing solely on intellectual achievement. Next we have is the purpose of education. For Shah Waliullah, the ultimate purpose of education is to cultivate a sense of awareness of God and to develop moral character. An educational philosophy inspired by his views would prioritize ethical education and the development of a strong moral compass alongside academic learning. After that, it comes the knowledge as a means to understanding. Shah Waliullah viewed knowledge as a pathway to understanding oneself and one's relationship with the divine. Therefore, an educational philosophy could emphasize the importance of critical thinking and self reflection, encouraging students to seek knowledge that leads to personal and spiritual growth. The community and social responsibility. Shah Waliullah believed in the interconnectedness of individuals within a community. An educational philosophy influenced by his conception of man would stress the importance of social responsibility and community service, preparing students to contribute positively to society. In the last we have is adaptation to context. Shah Waliullah advocated for the adaptation of Islamic teachings to the context of the time and place. An educational philosophy derived from his ideas would promote culturally relevant pedagogy, recognizing the importance of context in shaping educational practices. By integrating these elements, one can develop a philosophy of education that is not only aligned with Shah Waliullah's conception of man, but also responsive to the needs of learners in a contemporary context. Shah Waliullah's ideas support a balanced, value based educational model. As we concluded, we see that he emphasizes on personal, spiritual, and communal growth of a learner that encourages relevance, reflection, and responsibility in education. Thank you for learning. Keep learning and do not forget to like, share, and subscribe the channel. If you want to learn about some specific topic, you can always tell us in the comment box. Thank you.